You're the first to arrive each morning. You know every tree, trap, box, and slope. As golf course superintendent, your responsibility is to keep your course pristine. But what if there was an easier way to achieve fairway perfection? One that increased efficiency, saved money, and was driven by data. The solution isn't found in the ground. It's in the sky. Introducing Greyhawk. As a professional UAV service, Greyhawk's certified pilots scout your course with precision. Greyhawk's revolutionary drone hardware and groundbreaking sensors analyze what the human eye can't see, providing the data you need to manage your course with confidence. Greyhawk captures true color, NDVI, and GNDVI maps of your course, all accessible through an easy-to-use client dashboard. Want to view your seasonal trend analysis? Compare and contrast with the swipe of a finger. Analyze your entire course, or zoom in for fairway and hole-specific analysis. Greyhawk is the best investment you can make in your course. It's cost-effective, and it gives you the confidence to develop a data-supported treatment plan to ensure your course is pristine, season after season. The future of innovative golf course management is here. Greyhawk.